Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 7.1, question number 5. Four persons live in a conical tent whose slant height is 19 centimeter, and if each person require 22 centimeter square of the floor area, then find the slant height of the tent. Here the slant height is 19 centimeter, and each person require 22 centimeter square for area. Then find the height of the tent. Let height equal to h, r radius equal to r. Now the floor area, the four person can sit in the floor area, that pi r squared base area of the cone. Base area of the cone is equal to circle, it is, so it is pi r squared. So square unit square units. Now therefore pi r squared is given 4 times 22 centimeter, because each person occupies 22 centimeter square. So it is, therefore r squared equal 4 into 22 over pi, which is equal 4 into 22 over 22 by 7, that is the 7 will go up. It is 28. R squared is 28. Now the slant height equal 19 centimeter. Therefore height h equal square root of L squared minus R squared, which is equal square root of 19 squared minus R squared is 28. 19 square is 361 minus 28 is equal 333. Now you have to find the square root of 333 for two decimal places. Here 333, then here add two zeros here for necessary thing. Here 3 1 ones are 1, then 1 ones are 1, subtract 2, bring 2 digits 233, and after that twice the 1 is 2. 2 is the 1 is 2. If add 8 here, try 28 into 8, 8 8s are 64, 4 6 carries 16, 16 into 6 is 224. 224 is under 233. We can put 9. 29 into 9, if you put, means it's more than 233. So we have to put 8 here, and 28 into 8 is 224. Subtraction is 9. Then bring two zeros, and 18 double is 36. Now if you add 2 into 362 is 724. So it is under the 900. Add to 724, then subtraction is 676, 176. Then it continues like bringing zeros like we have. Then for now 3 that here point 18 point, and further it continues 182, that is doubling 182 is 4, 2 8s are 16, 1 carries, 2 ones are 2 364. If you add multiply by 2, which gives here, if you put 5, so it is, if you multiply with 364 into 5, it is under the smaller than, nearer to 17,600, so we can put 5 here. So our approximate value of H equal 18.25 centimeter. We got. Question number 6. A girl wishes to prepare birthday cakes in the form of right circular cones for her birthday party using a sheet of paper whose area is 5,720 centimeters squared. How many cakes can be made with radius 5 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter? Here radius is 5 centimeter, height is 12 centimeter. The slant height L is square root of 5 square plus 12 square, 25 plus 144, 169 equal 13 centimeter. So slant height is 13 centimeter for the cone. Therefore, required number of cup caps is total area of the paper by area of 1 cup, curved surface area CSA of 1 cap. Here total area is given, the paper total area is 5720 over pi RL, 22 over 7, radius is 5 and slant height is 13. So we have the calculation like 5720 over 22, 7 go up into 5 into 13. Here it go by 11, that is 2 11s are here, 5 11s are 55, 22 is 2 11s, 520, and cut by 13 is 4 13s are 52 and 0, 40, and cut by 2 is 20, 20 into 7 is 2 into 7, 2 here, cut zeros already, 2 into 7 is 28 caps. We can get it 28 caps from that given size of the paper. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.